This morning here at 133 Barry Street, we had discussions with some of the rights holders, owner of the specific brands, and as a result, we did we did some workup, and it led us here where we found a large quantity of counterfeit Crocs, mainly Crocs, and mostly Crocs. We found other items here like Gucci and Adidas and LV, but 95% are Crocs. And so we are here enforcing that breach. So Crocs, what they do, they register the three-dimension the registration of Crocs. So it doesn't matter whether or not it has the name Crocs on it. Once it has a shape, dimension, it's a breach of the Trademark Act. And with that said, we have an obligation under the Trademark Act to act, and as such we are here. So once we get a complaint from the rights holder that our products are being infringed, then based on the law we are compelled to act, and as a result we are here. This morning, based on our investigation, I anticipate the volume of goods here to be about 100 million Jamaican dollars, right? And behind me upstairs is a 3-story warehouse, and I'm sure you got pictures of what exists upstairs. So it's a big money business, and these merchants, they continue to deceive the public, because when you look at some of the Crocs here, and it has the label Crocs on them, but the sticker can be easily removed by the heat, and I assure you that it's just not a good quality, and they are selling them at the same price as a real Crocs. So counterfeiting in itself is bad. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry. And whilst it is a global problem, it is also a national problem where we have a lot of merchants indulging in counterfeit activity. With that said, we have to do what we have to do, because there is a law in place that speaks to the infringement of the trademark, and when that is the case, then we have to do operations like these. Why can't you save your money and buy a proper Crocs? Because you might buy a Crocs, and within the year you replace the Crocs 3 times, when you could use that money and buy a proper Crocs that lasts you for a long time. So that by itself is a cop-out. It's an easy way of looking at the issue at hand. Jamaica is a brand culture, and we like to wear brand, right? And as a result, these merchants, they understand that Jamaicans like brands, and they just put the brands in the public space, and people just buy the brand at all costs, and it is bad. We also discover that with emerging technology, with cyberspace, with trading online, that persons are using now cryptocurrency and Bitcoin to pay for goods, right? And that by itself is is kind of difficult to track. Law enforcement officials all over the world find investigating cryptocurrency more difficult than traditional crimes, but nonetheless, we in Jamaica, we're equipped, we have the expertise, and we are here to do what is necessary to protect brand Jamaica and to protect our consumers.